In this video, I'll be showing you how to set an action for the quick button on the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Now, if you want the quick button, which is this one in the middle right here, to open up a specific app or maybe do a specific function on the watch, this is what you're going to do. You're going to begin by just opening up the settings app on your watch. And then from here, you want to scroll and select the option buttons and gestures. Next, you should see under the section quick button, quick action, go ahead and select it. And then from here, you can choose what you want it to open. So by default, it's normally set to exercises from the Samsung Health app. You can choose to customize it to open something else other than exercises, maybe multi-sport workouts or just one specific workout you normally perform. Or you can go back and choose any of the other features available, such as it turning on water lock, setting it for the camera control option, a compass, depth, or any of these options available. So go ahead and choose one. Let's say, for example, we choose torch. So now, whenever we press on this button like so, it should automatically turn on the torch. So you can also long press on this to customize the torch brightness and all of that stuff, but you can choose to do that later. Then you can also choose to use the bezel of the watch itself to increase or decrease the brightness of the torch as you go along. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.